Hi, and welcome to my Dynamic Home Buyer's Guide. I am Katheryn Roberts. In this guide, I want to share with you some good information that will help you prepare for your home buying process. The market forecast for 2022 has changed and is changing. So I believe it's important for you to understand, even if you're 3 months out before buying a home or 12 months out. Good information is here for you so that you'll know what to expect. Housing experts actually forecast that there will be slower home price growth, which is good for you as a buyer. However, if you're sitting on the fence right now and waiting for prices to decline, it doesn't look like that's going to happen. So the good thing is that with the decline of the home prices, you won't see as many people out there trying to bid on homes and submitting an offer for a home like we did earlier this year and in the year of the pandemic, where there were like 30 plus offers out on homes. So now is actually a good time to be buying your home. Home ownership is a hedge against inflation because you get home appreciation or price appreciation versus consumer price increases over the decades. You'll see by this graph that's on your right hand side that in 2021, the home price appreciation was much more than the actual inflation. So what are the benefits of it is that it stabilizes your monthly payment as rent continues to increase across the country. And if you're a renter, you know what I'm talking about. It's also an asset that it has historically outperformed inflation. More homes are available for sale, and that is such good news. There has been a pickup in the inventory that we've seen recently, but it's not from a big increase in new listings, but rather a slowdown in the pace of sales. And remember, that month's supply measures the inventory of sale relative to the pace of the sales. Some inventory, fewer sales means more month supply. So as you see in this graph here, we'll see that it is continually increasing in the number of homes available for sale versus 2021. So let's talk about financing your home. Home financing 101. So we know this is one of the biggest purchases that you will ever make in your lifetime is the purchase of a home. And before you even begin the process, you're approved by a lender for your home. The lender will let you know, when you talk to the lender, they'll let you know how much you qualify for. So when you go look for a home, you'll know what type of home or the price range that you need to stay in. And it also helps you when you get ready to submit an offer on the home when the seller sees that you are pre-approved by a lender. So some of the things that you will ask the lender when you're looking for a lender is this the best loan for me? What are some of the closing costs? Are there any special programs like down payment assistance available for yourself? Or what type of mortgage rate would you qualify for based upon your credit score? And be prepared to provide these things when you're talking to a lender. Bank statements, W-2s, or if you're self-employed, 1099, pay stubs, as well as monthly debt amounts and tax returns. There are 6 don'ts of mortgage approval process, okay? And these are the things that you avoid after you apply for a mortgage. Don't deposit any cash into your bank account before speaking with your bank or your lender because they want to track where all money is coming from. Don't make any large purchases like a new car or furniture for your home. You can wait until after you close for those things. And do not co-sign for other loans for anyone. Don't change banks or don't change bank accounts. Don't apply for any new credit and don't close any credit accounts. Here are the lenders that I've worked with closely and have had success with. And of course, you can use any lender that you choose. You can even try your own bank and see what rates that they have available, mortgage rates that they have available. So this is a good slide. It's a walkthrough through home ownership. So let's walk through. First, we save for a down payment, right? You save up all that you can. Um, I'll tell you a little later on what percentage that you probably be looking at to have for your down payment, as well as your closing costs. Two, you need to know your credit score. So keep up with your credit score. With some banks offer you free credit score, like Chase give you free credit score with Credit Journey, or some of you may do Credit Karma. Find a trusted real estate agent, and I hope I can be that agent for you. You get pre-approved, then we go out looking for a home. Once we find that home that you like and that you can see yourself in, feel yourself in, then we move forward and we make an offer on the home. After we make an offer on the home, we go through what we call the option period. During that option period, we have an inspector that you pay for to come in and actually take a look at the home. And they will look at things such as your HVAC system, such as the condenser on the outside of the home. They look at electrical. They look on the roof. They look at a number of things to let you know the condition of the home. And then as we go through the loan process, the lender will send out an appraiser, a licensed appraiser, to go out and let them know, hey, is that home worth the value, what the seller is asking for? Once we go through all those 8 steps, we get ready to close the sale. We go to the closing table, sign all the contracts, and then we move in, and congrats, you are a homeowner. So it's a lot of steps involved, but I'll stay with you the entire way. So there's terms that you need to know also, you know, education and anything regarding financial is beneficial to you and to your family. So the first one is appraisal. So here's definitions that you can look at. A report highlighting the estimated value of the property completed by a qualified third party, and these third parties are usually licensed appraisers. And this is a key setup in the loan process. Closing costs. These are the fees required to complete the real estate transaction that are part at closing. So you'll ask your lender for a list of the closing costs, and they'll give that to you as you move further along into the loan process. Some of the costs will be like points and taxes and insurance, etc. Your credit score. You want to try to have your credit score at its best when you get ready to apply for a loan. That credit score way above 650, go to 750, 800 if you can. However, lenders will work with you if you're coming in with a lower credit score. You just have to know that your rate may be a little higher. And the down payment. So the down payment are typically 3 to 20% of the purchase price of the home. And some down payments is 0%. Programs are available also. So depending on the type of program that you're going to be using. And then we have equity. So equity is the value in your home above the total amount of liens against the home. And finally, number 6 is the pre-approval letter. The pre-approval letter is that you'll get from the lender, and that's what we use to say, hey, I qualify for a mortgage of a specific amount, and that amount is what we use to actually go shopping for your new home. So I need to know, what are your goals in finding your home? And when we meet together, this is key in helping me, giving you what you want and knowing what you want. I want to know what you want, what you need, and what you must have. With my years of customer support, serving others, it's a joy for me actually to help you, to service you through the home buying experience. And the bottom line is that I'm going to guide you and answer all the questions that you have. I'll give you sound advice, and I will make this as pleasurable as possible, this journey. And you have to remember, this is more than just getting a home for you to live in, but this is part of building your wealth, your generational wealth for your family as well. So thank you for taking time to go through this presentation. And if you have any questions, let's move forward and connect. Have a great day.